Tati Beauty Palette. Hello, I'm Galyanaka Keencat, and today I'm going to be playing with Tati Beauty Eyeshadow Palette. This is a really beautiful palette. Let's prep the face. So I'm going to start with this vitamin enriched face base by Bobbi Brown. And it's really good for a skin that's on a drier side or sensitive skin. And that's, my skin is definitely on the drier side. And this one is so rich and gentle. So it became my go-to product. And I do use my fingers a lot when I apply the makeup, or especially the base. Okay. Now since we are going to be applying eyeshadows, I'm going to use eyeshadow primer Potion by Urban Decay. This Fake Awake pencil by Tati. Technically is for your waterline, but I use it as a concealer because I have a really fair skin and I can get away with it. And they used to do concealers and pencils, but now all of them moved into this little thingies. This is, by the way, by Smashbox. Nothing wrong with it, but sometimes I want precision and I miss the pencils. And now I can go with more of a regular concealer for slightly bigger spots. Now I'm going to use my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser. Mine is 120 Creamy Ivory. Now let's do the brows. I'm going to start with the It Brow Power pencil. And then I'm going to finish it up by using Gimme Brow. Oops! By using Gimme Brow by Benefit. We should do a teeny bit of contouring. And then for a little bit of shine, I'm gonna use this Transforming Hello Light from my It Naturally Pretty Essentials palette. And it's very settled shine, which is usually all I want for natural makeup. Okay, I think we've got our canvas. I'm gonna start with the Aura Matte. And again, I use a combination of brushes and my fingers. Just me. Let me try a little bit of sequin. Tati's palette is organized so you could use it vertically, horizontally, or diagonally to make it easier for the non-beauty gurus. So perhaps some of you might like seeing how a non-beauty guru applies beauty guru's palette. Okay, this one is slightly more orangey than I expected. You can tell I'm not used to applying makeup and holding mirror in hand. I need third arm. Okay, let's see what the ritual does. Now let's add a little bit more fun and go in sequins, metallics, and specifically one I'm really interested in is story. Actually, I'll start with matte again and then go into sequins and metallics. Wow, that's orange. Now this is definitely a bit more than I'm normally used to, but the awesome thing about makeup, you can play with it, then wash it off and try again. Now let's see this metallic will give us. Okay, the metallic. Well, it's settled. Metallic is definitely settled. So if you want more sequin, that's what the glitter is for. Okay, that's definitely for the finger. Oh yeah! See the sparkle? Yeah, that's more festive. I'm gonna use this Urban Decay pencil in Heartless for the waterline. I wanna go right under the brow, and I'm using Aura Metallic. That almost can work as a highlighter. Well, let's try Black Memory. Now I want a little bit of sequin in the corner of the eye. For mascara, I'm using the booster, and then I'm gonna apply Lancome Definitions. And this is Ruby Brown Bare Sparkle High Shimmer Lip Gloss. Let me fix my hair and I'll be right back. So, what do you think? And regarding this palette, I think it's very versatile, and I think you can create lots of different looks with it, and it's a fun thing to play with. Oh yeah, can we talk about this huge mirror? Ooh, you see my monitor? Yes, this. And we see the camera and lights. Lights, camera, action. Congratulations, Tati, on a successful launch. Hopefully it's the first one, but not the last one. And I wish you many more. So, thank you for this product. And thank you for the tips you've given me over the years.
I'm interrupting this video with an announcement Tati just made on her channel. She'll be re-releasing Textured Neutrals palette this week, so those who missed it earlier will get another chance to order it. Yay! She's also launching 2 new products this Friday. The big review of what the new products are will be on her channel on Thursday, January 9th, the day before the release.
Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye!